Can these 12 foods really be the natural remedy you've been looking for to cure erectile dysfunction? Alright, guys, brace yourselves for a discussion that might make you blush, but trust me, it's one essential and natural to have. Today, we're diving into the realm of foods that can help boost blood flow to your manhood, plus foods and habits to avoid leading to stronger and healthier erections. So, get ready to discover some surprising culinary secrets that could revolutionize your bedroom game. Erectile dysfunction is a prevalent issue affecting millions of men worldwide. But fear not, as today, we are going to explore natural remedies in the form of foods that can help combat this challenge. Now, what exactly is erectile dysfunction? For those who may not be familiar, it is the inability to maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. It's a common concern for many men and can be caused by various factors such as lifestyle choices, health conditions, and stress. When it comes to combating erectile dysfunction, incorporating certain foods into your diet can make a significant difference. These foods have been proven to improve blood flow, boost testosterone levels, and enhance overall sexual performance. Before we move on, a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any dietary or lifestyle changes, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. So, let's delve into the top 12 natural foods that can help tackle this issue head-on. First up, let's talk about watermelon, nature's delicious hydrator. Packed with citrulline, it relaxes blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and better performance in the bedroom. So, slice up some watermelon and get ready for some sweet relief. Next on our list is spinach, the powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in magnesium, it helps dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation and promoting optimal sexual function. Add some spinach to your salads or smoothies and watch your stamina soar. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like, subscribe and continue watching. The mighty oyster, renowned for its aphrodisiac properties. Bursting with zinc, it supports testosterone production and boosts libido. So, slurp down some oysters and let the romance begin. Indulge your sweet tooth with dark chocolate, the decadent treat that's good for your heart and your libido. Loaded with flavonoids, it improves blood flow and enhances sexual performance. So, treat yourself to some dark chocolate and spice up your love life. Beets, the vibrant root veggies that pack a punch. Rich in nitrates, they boost nitric oxide production, promoting vasodilation and enhancing blood flow to all the right places. So, add some beets to your salads or blend them into a tasty juice for a natural boost. Garlic, the humble kitchen staple that's a powerhouse of health benefits. Known for its ability to improve circulation and lower blood pressure, it's a natural ally against erectile dysfunction. So, don't be shy with the garlic in your cooking. Walnuts, the crunchy superfood that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These little gems improve blood flow, support cardiovascular health, and enhance sexual function. So, snack on some walnuts and let your libido flourish. Spice up your life with chili peppers, the fiery pods that ignite passion. Packed with capsaicin, they boost circulation and stimulate nerve endings, enhancing sexual pleasure. So, add a kick to your meals and heat things up in the bedroom. Unlock the power of pomegranate, the jewel of fruits. Loaded with antioxidants, it improves blood flow and enhances erectile function. So, enjoy some juicy pomegranate seeds as a snack or add them to your salads for a delicious boost. Kale, the leafy green powerhouse that's bursting with nutrients. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it supports overall health and vitality, including sexual function. So, add some kale to your smoothies or salads and reap the benefits. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins. These help relax the blood vessels and improve circulation. This increased blood flow is crucial for achieving and maintaining strong erections. Eat blueberries as a snack or enjoy with salads or as a refreshing juice. They could be your new secret weapon for stronger, healthier erections. And last but not least, oranges, packed with vitamin C, plays a crucial role in boosting the production of nitric oxide. The compounds helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and supporting stronger, healthier erections. So, incorporating oranges into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy them as a snack or squeeze for refreshing orange juice. Your taste bud and your sexual health will thank you. While we've talked about foods that can help improve erectile dysfunction, it's equally important to know what to avoid. Certain foods and habits can negatively impact your sexual health. Continue watching as we share 4 major culprits. First up is sugar. Consuming high amounts of sugar can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, both of which can impact blood flow and reduce nitric oxide production, crucial for strong erections. Next, we have high-fat meals. Diets heavy in saturated and trans fats can clog arteries and reduce blood flow to your manhood. Alcohol, while relaxing in moderation, can be a major issue if consumed excessively. Over time, heavy drinking can damage blood vessels and lead to high blood pressure, both of which are detrimental to erectile health. Finally, smoking is one of the worst habits for your sexual health. It damages blood vessels and restricts blood flow, making it difficult to achieve and maintain erections. In addition to integrating these 12 foods into your diet, and avoiding certain foods and habits, don't overlook the crucial role of exercise, stress management, and hydration in combating erectile dysfunction. Regular physical activity, such as brisk walking, jogging, or yoga, not only enhances blood circulation but also alleviates stress levels, which can significantly impact sexual function. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, fostering relaxation and enhancing mood. By adopting a comprehensive approach that includes dietary adjustments, regular exercise, stress management, and proper hydration, you can proactively address erectile dysfunction and embark on a path towards improved sexual vitality and holistic well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, share your experiences and any other natural remedies you swear by in the comments below.